Hi guys, it's Sam from the Body Centre here. Welcome to the social media studio. It's not finished quite yet guys, but we will show you around this when it is completely done. Today's video, VW Tiguan. It's owned by Paul, our windscreen specialist, and I really want to show you this one guys because the transformation was absolutely insane. We completed on quite a lot of work to this vehicle, to be fair. We done a full colour code, so all the grey texture went to body colour, all the chrome on the vehicle went to body colour, window tints, blacked out the wheels with a diamond cut face, red calipers, blacked all the badges out as well. We done some red R-line badges on there. It looked absolutely insane. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let us know your comments below on what you think, what else you would do. And let's get into it.